We have an outstanding session to close the day and an equally outstanding moderator, and he's currently the CEO and co-founder of AJL Consulting, Mr. Simon Lehman. Simon.
Wow, so cool to see so many people out there. So let me please welcome Leslie Preston from Batch Care New Zealand. Second, John Banzak from Turnkey. Please welcome Graham Donahue from Sykes Holidays. And last, please welcome Eric Breon from Vacasa. Why don't we just kick off and giving some perspective to the audience? Very short, how many units, what is your business in the property management industry?
1,850 holiday homes in New Zealand across 150 markets. We're a full service management company.
We're about 4,000 units all in the US, split up between 50 or 60 destinations.
So the UK is just one island. We have 13,400 properties that we look after.
Yeah, Vacasa, we have about 11,000, mostly domestic US, but 15 other countries.
One thing I want to kick off this conversation is to talk about the value proposition, right? Are we ending up as glorified cleaning companies in this industry?
I think it would be a shame if we became glorified cleaning companies.
I think the tide has completely changed. Everyone in this room are the exact people that consumers are looking for.
What is the right value proposition for that, in your view, Graham?
We're selling a holiday, a vacation, and it's a happy thing, and the experience should be awesome.
But do you truly believe that we're good at delivering that guest experience?
I think we've come a long way. For us, it's all about how can we make it easy for the guest and for the homeowner.
Is the end-to-end, like the full-service business model, is that going to be the winning model? What do you think, John?
I mean, I personally think the best business is in the full-service business.
Do you see that differently?
Yeah, I think our business is more of a hybrid. And I'm a control freak.
When people want to come, they want a consistent experience. We do NPS as well as soon as the guests leave.
You're even more of a control freak than me.
Possibly.
What does our industry need? What are we lacking?
I think the people here are generally doing great on that job, and I don't think it's broken. I think this industry is working.
Yes, well, so I think the first thing you have to do is decide on what is the industry. You're just getting lumped in with literally thousands and thousands of choices that are partial rentals, occasional renters, the wrong homeowners, and so on. I think if you are putting out accurate content that truly describes the home properly and you're setting the right expectations.
We don't need ratings.
Ratings don't necessarily work, and it's not a problem that exists right now. What the problem is a guaranteed service of what guests want. They want the reviews at the moment are keeping everyone honest.
You told me that you write or call every customer after his first night.
The fact that we've tried to help and we've got involved definitely influences the experience and the net promoter score.
And the review.
And the review and the rebook rate.
Why is it in the US this indirect distribution, and is there something that can be done from a property management level?
I totally get it, but for scale businesses, I want that control.
Yeah.
So if you're relatively small, OTAs I think are awesome, and they'll do a brilliant job, and you'll never win the game.
I think one great thing that the channels are actually doing is they're bringing competition to the right playing field. And then we get to compete on the stuff that matters. We get to compete on guest reviews, response time, quality of our photos, the conversion rate of our listings.
We're running out of time. I hope you enjoyed our panel discussion up here. I only got through like a third of my questions.
Got a long list in there.
We had a very long list. But I really want to thank my panels, and please join me in thanking Leslie Preston, John Banzak, Graham Donahue, Eric Breon. Enjoy the evening. Thanks, guys.